Let's read short stories with comprehension check for grade 4. The Crocodile and the Monkey, a legend from India. Once there was a monkey who lived in a fruit tree beside a river. The monkey ate lots of the sweet, delicious fruit and sometimes threw one into the river for the crocodile. The monkey's heart would taste so sweet from all the fruit she eats. The crocodile thought to herself, I will trick the monkey to get into the river, drown her, and then eat her heart. My mouth is watering already. The next day, the crocodile swam close to the monkey's tree and said, Why do you only eat the fruit from that tree? There are many juicy mango trees on the island down the river. The river is deep, said the monkey, and I cannot swim too well. Not a problem, said the crocodile. Hop on my back and I will take you there. Although the monkey didn't trust the crocodile, she really wanted to taste a juicy mango. She jumped down from the tree onto the crocodile's back. After a minute, the crocodile did a quick dive into the water. Stop that! Screamed the monkey. I might drown. You are going to drown, said the crocodile. I'm going to kill you and eat your delicious heart. You should have told me that before we left, said the quick-thinking monkey. I didn't bring my heart with me. I left it in the tree to keep it safe. If you take me back to the tree, I will get it for you. The crocodile swam back to the tree. The monkey hopped off and climbed up the tree as fast as she could. The monkey yelled down at the crocodile. Ha! You may be bigger than me and have sharp teeth, but you're not very smart. My heart is inside me and you'll never get it. The crocodile realized she had been tricked and never swam near the part of the river again. Your turn to read, kids. Good job! This time, let's answer the questions from the story. 1. The monkey was a good swimmer. A. True. B. False. C. It doesn't say. You're right. The correct answer is B. False. Number 2. Where did the monkey live? A. In a fruit tree by the river. B. On an island in the river. C. In the deep jungle. You're right. The correct answer is letter A. In a fruit tree by the river. Number 3. In which country was this story first told? A. Africa. B. China. C. India. You're right. The correct answer is C. India. Number 4. Why did the crocodile want to kill the monkey? A. So she could eat the monkey's heart. B. So she could eat all the fruit from the monkey's tree. C. So she could bite off the monkey's tail. You're right. The correct answer is A. So she could eat the monkey's heart. Number 5. Where were the mango trees? A. On an island down the river. B. On the other side of the river. C. In the forest. You're right. The correct answer is A. On an island down the river. Number 6. Why did the monkey agree to get on the crocodile's back? A. She trusted the crocodile. B. She wanted to learn how to swim. C. She wanted a mango from the island down the river. You're right. The correct answer is C. She wanted a mango from the island down the river. How many scores did you get? Wow, that's a good job. Let's now proceed to the next story. Why chipmunks have stripes? Long ago, chipmunks had soft brown fur but no stripes. One day, Chipmunk saw Bear coming his way. Bear was very powerful and always showing off. Chipmunk asked Bear, "Why do you boast so much? You're not so great." Bear was angry and answered, "I am powerful. If I wanted to, I could stop the sun from rising in the morning." Chipmunk said, "You can't." "Just wait and see," replied Bear. Chipmunk stayed up all night and waited. When the sun came up the next morning, Chipmunk laughed and made fun of Bear. Bear got so angry that she ran after Chipmunk. Chipmunk ran as fast as he could to his burrow. Just as he got there, Bear caught up to him, stretched out her paw, and grabbed him. Chipmunk wiggled around and slipped into the hole. But not before Bear scratched his back with her long claws. And that is why, to this day, you can see stripes on Chipmunk's back. Your turn to read, kids. Good job! This time, let's answer the questions from the story. 1. Why did Bear run after Chipmunk? A. Chipmunk robbed Bear's food. B. Bear was mad at Chipmunk for laughing at her. C. They were playing tag. You're right. The correct answer is B. Bear was mad at Chipmunk for laughing at her. Number 2. What is a clue that this story is a legend? A. It's about a chipmunk. B. The main character is an animal. C. It starts with long ago. You're right. The correct answer is C. It starts with long ago. Number 3. How did Chipmunk get stripes on his back? A. Bear scratched his back with her sharp claw. B. A wise man painted them. C. He slept on logs and the colors stayed on his back. You're right. The correct answer is A. Bear scratched his back with her sharp claw. Number 4. Why did Chipmunk stay up all night? A. To watch for a storm. B. To wait for the sun to rise. C. To make sure Bear didn't take his food. You're right. The correct answer is B. To wait for the sun to rise. Number 5. What did Bear say she could do to show her power? A. Stay up all night. B. Run faster than Chipmunk. C. Stop the sun from rising. You're right. The correct answer is C. Stop the sun from rising. Number 6. What didn't Chipmunk like about Bear? A. Bear was a show-off. B. Bear was too big. C. Bear took his food. You're right. The correct answer is A. Bear was a show-off. How many scores did you get? Wow, that's a good job. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button to be notified on our next episodes. Goodbye, kids!